I'd cry if Pennywise was added to the game. The only reason I don't hate the clown they currently have is because of his belly and his cough. If the trickster music was on the clown, then I'd probably cry. Oh, I don't like clowns. That's probably why they haven't added him, to be honest, because there are a lot of people with that fear. You know? Alright. Sort your shit, internet. What's the problem? What do you mean? Wow, my stream is really delayed. I'm already in endgame. Is that how far back it is? Does Ada get out? Oh, Ada died. That is really delayed. A selfie channel? I can make a selfie channel. I can do that. Wow, it's so delayed. I'm already out. I'm loading into the freaking lobby. I'll let a selfie one after this. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry.
Apparently the third seal.
Let's close some things. Battle.net. Goodbye. Goodbye. Where is my browser source? Setup?
One of my challenges is
Here we go. Okay, I've got the new browser source. Let me see if I update that, if it'll work. Let's try.
I'm gonna do a quick restart.
You're fine, you're all good. Warning. Did you guys hear that or nah? Sorry to everybody's ears. If you did. Can I make that pink? I make a battery. I guess you guys didn't hear it.
I spoke type.
Snowman chat. Good luck, everybody. I don't know how to do this. It's online. Audio setup video guide. Let's watch that really fast while we wait for set. How cute are they, Christy? I'm actually in love with them. Actually in love. Alright, I need to see how to get the sound working. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed. They're like softer than my other Eevee emotes, so just a bit more like me, I guess. Okay, in this video we're going to address if your audience can't hear the alerts. Perfect, give it to me. I don't want the introduction. Can I skip to it? Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Hold on. How to fix doubled. Eevee treats. Where is Eevee? I actually don't know where she is. She might be outside. I think she's in puppy jail outside. Jolly put her out there because she's a bit cuckoo. Congrats, you got the snow. Oh, you can mute the sound alert and FOTS. Interesting. Wait, I don't know. Maybe because do I not have the extension installed? Is that what it is? Sound alerts. Let me try that. Maybe that's the issue. Hold on. It might be that. Channel. You back, bestie?
Yep.
I go down. How do I do it again? Extensions. So create a dashboard. Is it in here? Oh my gosh, I always forget. There we go, extensions. Let me ready up. Oh, I did a challenge! Search all extensions. Sound alert. Okay. Activate. So I do have to add it, I think. Set as component 1 to overlay 1, panel 1. Add as a new panel. Oh, I don't know. Is it a panel? I don't remember. Okay, guys, I'm gonna test the jump scare. Maybe I can turn the volume down so that if I test it, it's not crazy loud. Ugh. Oh my god, bestie! I was gonna turn the volume down so I didn't scare everyone else. Oh, did you hear that? Did you guys? You didn't?
I was a stream call, so I'm listening to you in chat.
Oh my god. Okay. Christy can someone confirm whether that came through? Fuck, that scared me, bestie. Woo!
Better have the 5,000 points.
Perfect. I just don't know whether stream can hear it or not. That is the problem.
Get all of your stream.
Need to re-update the browser source? I don't know. Let me see. Oh wow, they have a chatbot and everything. Clip Central. Interesting.
They didn't hear it.
No.
Just
Fuck!
let it
What do I need to do? Wait, they have